Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your digital marketing strategy with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current digital marketing strategy. Identify your target audience and their online behaviors. Utilize HubSpot's buyer persona tools to create detailed profiles. Conduct a comprehensive audit of your existing digital marketing efforts. Evaluate the effectiveness of your website's design and user experience. Integrate HubSpot to streamline your marketing automation processes. Set clear and measurable goals using HubSpot's goal-setting features. Utilize HubSpot's content management system to optimize your content strategy. Incorporate SEO best practices in your blog and web page content. Leverage HubSpot's social media tools to manage and schedule posts effectively. Analyze your lead generation strategies with HubSpot's analytics tools. Implement targeted email marketing campaigns using HubSpot's email tools. Segment your audience based on behaviors and engagement for more personalized outreach. Use HubSpot's landing pages to create high-converting offers. Regularly review key performance indicators to evaluate your strategy's success. Adjust your tactics based on real-time data and insights provided by HubSpot. Incorporate A/B testing for your emails and landing pages to maximize effectiveness. Continually refine your digital marketing strategy with HubSpot's reporting capabilities. Stay updated with the latest digital marketing trends through HubSpot Academy. Utilize HubSpot's integration capabilities to connect with other tools you use. Plan ongoing training for your team to fully leverage HubSpot's extensive features. Consistently seek feedback and make adjustments to stay aligned with your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.